Well, we're off for an adventure. Let's see what we get today. Well, we're here in downtown LA, in Purview Square. So let's see what's going on today. So we're here at Purview Square. There's a protest going on today to protest the shooting of this lady last week by ICE. So let's see if we get some good shots here or not. Be careful when you go out here shooting stuff like this. So whenever there's a protest like this, I always close off the streets. So it gives you a chance to walk around the middle of the street without get hit by a car. But be careful. When you're out here, look for interesting signs. People putting their frustrations on paper here. Even though you don't agree with it, it's something interesting. When photographing a protest, you gotta get in the middle. That's how you're gonna get the good shots. Just be careful. Well, I decided to go and leave now. It's a small protest for LA. About 3,000 or 4,000 people, but got some good shots. So let's see. I'll go ahead and see how it came out. All right, I'll post it later.